All right, guys, we're going to go through page 320. This is a page you worked on yesterday. 320, we're working on unit prices, finding the unit price for something. And this is something that comes in very handy when you begin shopping, or if you shop with mom or dad. And some of you guys are probably getting to the point where you're going out and doing some shopping and to figure out if you're getting the best deal. You want to be able to figure out unit prices. And for this page, basically what we're doing is dividing to find that unit price. It says solve the unit price problems below. Complete the tables if it is helpful to do so. A 12-ounce can of fruit juice costs 60 cents. What is the unit price? So what are we paying per ounce is what we're looking for. How much money per ounce? So if we come down here and we take 60 cents for 12 ounces, we have to take 60 and divide that by 12. And when you do that, 60 divided by 12 is 5 cents. Okay, so if we move down the line, now this, you gotta be careful because we're not just counting by 5. So some of you maybe have 10 cents in there, but it jumps to 3. So when you move down the line, be careful. This is 15 cents, and then this jumps up to 6, would be 30 cents, and then we double that to 12, so you double your 30 to get to 260. So our unit price becomes 5 cents per ounce. You're paying 5 cents per ounce. Now this might come in handy if you were going to buy a larger can that costs more, but maybe it's actually cheaper in the long run. A lot of times when you shop, the larger a box is, the more items that are in a box. If you're talking about pop, to buy a 6-pack of pop, generally cheaper to buy 12, not always, but to buy a 12-pack, and it might be even cheaper to buy a case of pop, 24 cans of pop per unit price. So to be a comparison shopper, it's a good thing to be able to know how to do this. So a 4-pound bunch of bananas costs $1.16. What is the unit price? Okay, so we have to take $1.16 and divide that by 4. When you do that, you should have 29 cents as a unit price. So 29 cents per pound is what you're paying. Okay, so if we take our 29 cents, we multiply that by 2, we get 58 cents. 3 pounds would cost you 87 cents. And 4 pounds is $1.16. So we come back up here and we put in our unit price. The unit price would be 29 cents, and you can use per pound, 29 cents per pound. A 5-pound bag of apples costs $1.90. The unit price is what? So again, we take $1.90 and divide that by 5. And when you do that, you're going to get 38 cents per pound. And then when you go, if you ever go, next time you're in the store and you're buying fruit, if you go in with mom or dad and you're going to buy something, take a look at that, because if you look at apples, a lot of times they'll give you several different bags of apples, but the unit price, it'll tell you how much it is, per pound, or maybe it's per apple, whatever it might be. So we have 38 cents moving down the line, 76. 3 pounds would be $1.14. 4 pounds would be $1.52, and then we get our $1.90. So we go back up and put in our unit price would be back to our 38 cents per pound. Number 4, 3 pounds of salmon costs $21. What is the unit price? Well, we have to take $21, divide it by 3. So, when you look at this question here, it says, what is the unit price per pound? 3 pounds cost $21. So we know divided by 3, 21 divided by 3 is $7 would be our unit price. So what is the cost of 7 pounds? Well, 7 times $7 would be $49 for 7 pounds. 9.5. Okay, so we can take, can do this a couple different ways. If you know the unit price is $7, we could figure out what the half is, what's half of 7. You could figure it out that way, or you could take your 7 and multiply by 9.5 or 9.5 to figure out what it is for 9.5 pounds. And we have $66.50 for that one. Okay, so if we go up the line, we have, I'm going to switch over here and just write this in. We have $7. 2 would be, I'm just going to write my $14. And we have 21. This would be $28. 35. Or no, we jump up. So 7 becomes 49. $49, and then our 9.5, which we've just done, is $66.50. All right, our final one, energy granola bars. And here's a great example of shopping. Where are you getting the better buy? Energy granola bars come in packages of 25, and they cost $3.50 per package. Super granola bars come in packages of 30, and they cost $3.60. Okay, so if we take the super bars first, okay, so we take, or no, let's go with the energy. So we got $3.50 divided by 25. Okay, so $3.50 divided by 25 comes to 14 cents per unit price per bar. If we take our $3.60 and divide that by 30, you are going to get 12 cents. Okay. Not a great dollar sign. So our energy bar is 14 cents per pound, or per bar, excuse me. And then your super granola is 12 cents. Now, the other thing you would look at, so which one's the better buy if we're looking at this? Well, if we're looking at this, the super would be the better buy. Cheaper anyway. But another thing to consider here is if you were actually out shopping, is it possible that the super granola bars are smaller than the energy? I mean, we're just talking per bar. Maybe these are larger granola bars, so there's different things to look at when you're out shopping. But if the bars are the same size, everything's the same here, we would say the super granola bar would be the better buy because it is 12 cents per bar. Okay, well, that's it for that one. Again, if you have questions on this, please, I asked you to try this without a calculator, so I hope you tried. We have to work on some of that old school long division. I hope you tried that without. When it gets down to some of these problems, I understand that a calculator might be useful for a few of these. So good luck on that. Please ask questions if you have any.